Hello, kids. Today we are going to learn counting numbers from 1 to 20. Counting helps us know how many things we have. We will count using fun and colorful pictures, so learning becomes easy and enjoyable. Are you ready? Let's start counting together. 1. 1 orange. 2. 2 strawberries. 3. 3 pears. 4. 4 brinjals. 5. 5 flowers. 6. 6 birds. 7. 7 chilies. 8. 8 carrots. 9. 9 burgers. 10. 10 stars. 11. 11 pencils. 12. 12 ice creams. 13. 13 juice. 14. 14 cars. 15. 15 toffees. 16. 16 donuts. 17. 17 bags. 18. 18 balls. 19. 19 cupcakes. 20. 20 butterflies. Well done, kids. If you enjoyed learning counting 1 to 20, practice with pictures at home. Please like the video and subscribe to our learning channel. See you in our next fun learning video. Bye.